Hello, welcome to Anne's Stitch Collective. We are going to look today at a cross stitch because a cross stitch isn't just used in cross stitch, we can also work with it in embroidery. So we've got the basic cross stitch. Again, you can have connected, disconnected, and then really play around and go to town with it as a decorative stitch. So just basically to do a cross stitch on its own, and work up here, it's a diagonal stitch, so we're going to come across diagonally, then come back up, so it's like the four corners of a square. So I'm going diagonally to here, I've brought my needle back up there, and then just go straight across down at the other side. So it is a very simple one, just a simple cross. If we want to do some connected ones, the way to do it is come across diagonally, go straight up, so I'm creating again a triangle, come across diagonally. We want to try and keep these parallel, so I'm trying to keep my lines parallel, and across diagonally. Oops. Cross diagonally, and then when you've created all the diagonals that you want to do, we're just going to come back the other way, and I'm going to use the stitches here to go in at the bottom and come out at the top. So I'm using the actual diagonal lines that I've already created. So come across diagonally, so I'm going to go in the bottom of that stitch and come out at the top of the other one, sorry. So I've gone in at the bottom there, coming out at the top there. Come across diagonally, in at the bottom of that stitch, up at the top, and then back down the bottom. So that's your connected cross stitch. But obviously, like I've said before, we can totally play around with this. It doesn't have to be a diagonal cross stitch. It can be a vertical and horizontal. You can start to play around with the height and width, so it could be very narrow and very tall as a cross. Oops. There we go. It could be very narrow and very tall. It doesn't have to be regular, so you don't have to play around with that box. So you can have very irregular lines on there. You can even, if you're wanting to build up texture on a piece, sort of start overlapping them. So you just do one of your lines and then just come back in again and cross over. They could be really teeny tiny, so see how small you can get them, and then just scatter them about on a piece. So this would work really nicely with our little stars or little flowers that were there. So if you just want like a little scattering of something, these are quite nice because your seed stitch up at the top just gives you that lots of irregular little dashes, but tiny little crosses work as well, a little bit more substantial. So there we have a very basic cross stitch that you can really go to town on. Hope you enjoy.